Hello students, good afternoon everyone. In this video we are going to work out a problem on gross reproduction rate and net reproduction rate, which is popularly called as GRR and NRR in vital statistics. Let us look into this question. Calculate GRR and NRR for the following data and comment on the result. So they have given us a table with 4 columns, and the information given to us is age group in years, female population age wise, female births age wise again, and survival rates, that is also age wise is given. With this information, they want us to calculate GRR and NRR. The GRR ages, if you observe, given from 15 to 49, that is the child-bearing age. GRR ಮತ್ತು NRR ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸು 15 to 49 child-bearing age ಇರಬೇಕು. And the difference between the age groups, in each age group the difference should be 5 years. That is quinquennial age groups ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So if you observe in this problem, they have given from 15 to 49. Okay, first criteria satisfied. That is, we have a child-bearing age of women, and 15 to 19, that is 5 years age group, and all the age groups are also having 5 years age group, so that is also okay. And we are supposed to take only female population. Yes, female population is given, female births are there, survival rates are there. Good. The question is good to proceed. Let's prepare a table for the solution. This is the table we have to prepare for answer. The first column, age group, take all the ages as given in the question. ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 15 to 49. ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್. ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನಿಂದನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 columns we have got from the question itself, and one more column, that is survival rates, that also all the 4 columns we will use in the answer table. Additionally, we will make one column, that is WSFR. What is WSFR? Women specific fertility rate. Women specific fertility rate. How do we calculate this women specific fertility rate? Women specific fertility rate is calculated by using this formula, that is female births in the specified age group divided by female population in that specified age group into 1000. Female births divided by female population into 1000 age wise. Like for each and every age you have to calculate one WSFR. Let us see the first one. 200 female births divided by 10,000 into 1000, you will get 20. For the next age group, 360 divided by 9,000 into 1000, you should get 40. Then 480 divided by 8,000 into 1000, you should get 60. Then 280 divided by 7,000 into 1000, you should get 40. And 180 by 6,000 into 1000, you should get 30. 100 divided by 5,000 into 1000, you should be getting 20. 40 divided by 4,000 into 1000, you should be getting 10. So female births divided by female population of each age group into 1000, you have calculated all the WSFR, women specific fertility rates. Then the survival rates will be given in the question. We will go for one more column, that is WSFR into S. Women specific fertility rate multiplied with survival rates. Survival rates is given in the question. WSCFR we have calculated just now. So we have to multiply these two. That means 20 into 0.91. 20 into 0.91, you will get 18.2. Then 40 into 0.90, you will get 36. 60 into 0.89, that is 53.4. 40 into 0.88, 35.2. 30 into 0.87, you should get 26.1. 20 into 0.86, you will get 17.2. 10 into 0.85, that will be 8.5. So we just multiplied women specific fertility rates with survival rates. Then we have to add the summation of WSFR. Summation of WSFR, if you add all these column numbers, you will get 220, that is summation of WSFR. Then add the last column, that is WSFR into survival rate. WSFR into survival rate. If you total that column, summation of WSFR into S, that is 194.6. And I is 5 always, because quinquennial age groups anne kottirtare, change agodik chance irodilla, always 5. Now let us proceed to the formulas and calculate GRR and NRR. What is the formula for GRR? GRR is equals to I into summation of WSFR. Gross reproduction rate, the formula is I into summation of WSFR. I is the width of the age groups, that is 5 years. So 5 into summation of WSFR, just now we have totaled here. Summation of WSFR, that is 220. This is used for calculating GRR. So 5 into summation of WSFR 220, that means 1100 female children born per 1000 women. So the GRR answer is 1100 is the GRR. Next, to calculate NRR, the formula is I into summation of WSFR into S. I into summation of WSFR into S. S is survival rate. So summation of WSFR is used to calculate net reproduction rate, that is NRR. So 5 is the I value, that is the quinquennial age group. So 5 into summation of WSFR into S, that is 194.6. Your NRR should be 973. NRR is 973. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? If you calculate NRR per woman, NRR per woman, NRR per woman if you calculate, that will be NRR divided by 1000, you will get 0.973. When the NRR is less than 1, you have to conclude that population is decreasing. When the NRR is less than 1, you have to understand that population is decreasing. Population is decreasing. If it is more, your conclusion should be population is increasing. But in this case, NRR per woman is less than 1, that is 0.973. Therefore, we are concluding that the population is decreasing. So that's how we calculate GRR and NRR. When you calculate both GRR and NRR in a problem, your conclusion should be based on net reproduction rate. Net reproduction basis ಮೇಲೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ conclusion ಇರಬೇಕು. Conclusion ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 3 types of conclusion ಇರುತ್ತೆ. NRR per woman exactly 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ population there is no change. More than 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ population is increasing. Less than 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ population is decreasing. So I hope you understood this. Please practice, and if you have any doubts, call me.